What's wrong, Scarlett? Did you make it up the stairs and you can't get down? Huh? You can't get down? Well, you know how to make it up. Come on. Why can't you get down? Scarlett! Don't you want down? Don't you want down, baby? Huh? Come on. Come on, you have to come down. You can get up so fast. Come on. Scarlett, come on. Come on. Let's come down. Come on, baby. Oh, Sally's going to help you. Okay, come on. Come on, you know how to come down. Oh, goodness. Come on, baby. Oh, Sal, tell her. Say, this is how you do it. Come on. Go down. There you go. See? Oh, there we go. So we're going to follow Sal. Good job.